£500 on another microphone? This microphone? Why? I'm not even going to pretend to know what I'm talking about and why on earth we spent that much money on a microphone. So I've got him indoors to tell us what the benefits are. So come on, what are the benefits?
Well, I'm holding in my hand what we're currently using, which is a Rode Wireless Go system. I'm going to point it roughly towards the camera. It's a Panasonic, so its autofocus may not be fantastic. But this little box is picking up our voice now, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm holding it between us because we do have other kit, but that's picking us up. And when you're talking, there are no wires. It goes to the camera using the wireless frequency. If anybody wants to be really geeky, I can tell you now it's 2.4 gigahertz, but for those who don't want to go to sleep, hang about because we're going to show you a really neat toy. We're going to unbox it. What we're using is something, so I do the front of camera stuff for a broadcast that people may have heard of, which we won't mention here today. And the kit that we've got is actually the sort of kit that we tend to use for the news and documentaries and that sort of thing. So without further ado, we're going to tell you about the range increase, because the biggest advantage is you're going to be able to use it much further. It comes with a Sennheiser ME2 microphone, which is it's omnidirectional, it picks up everywhere. So the sound quality should be slightly richer, but more than anything else, the biggest problem we've had with this Rode Wireless Go, other than the fact there's a problem with the power button, which I've seen reported elsewhere online, it's basically just going to work better. It's going to be better, yeah? It's going to work more reliably. Because we took it to the lakes. We took this one to the lakes, and it started losing you after what distance would you say?
Probably about 20
feet. And it's because, I mean, I'm holding it in my hand at the moment. I honestly believe it's because if you start blocking the transmitter and receiver here, it starts to go a bit wobbly, whereas you should reliably be able to use this one for a lot further. It claims 330 feet. Some people have been using it for 400 feet actually, and it's been working absolutely fine. But without further ado, let's do this unboxing. Should we do that together?
Let's do it.
Yeah.
All right, where's your knife then?
My knife is here.
How did you do that?
Magic of editing. Your viewers aren't stupid. Right then, watch your fingers.
Are we back at normal speed now?
Yeah. Okay, this feels pretty cool. This is your proper bit of kit. This is Terence, my son. I'm just going to be cutting. Ooh. This isn't fair, you know why?
Why?
YouTube can see what's on the box.
Yeah, well, those people who can see.
YouTube sees everything. I know what this is going to feel like though, because I've used this exact model many, many times. Oh, yeah, let's get the cellophane off. This is pretty cool actually, guys, because, what's that? So it's all sealed. This is the Sennheiser G4, Generation 4, 112, which comes with the lavalier mic I was telling you about. So you should have your front bit there and, oh, there's a nice carry handle there. I'm going to turn it around. So if anybody who's geeky enough and interested in the specifications, I'll tell you one thing though, I made a little bit of a boo-boo with this. You can order this one with a GB band, Great Britain, or E-band, which is European. Which one did I order?
European, I think.
Yeah, I did. But it doesn't matter, I've looked it up. It's 863 to 865 megahertz. See, I'm a geek, I have actually done a wireless telegraphy license. These are license exempt, you can use them, they do 30 milliwatts, which is tiny, because they don't need to be an awful lot for what they're required to do. Now let's see if we can find how you open this up. Oh, there we are, that's opening up nicely. Oh yes, let me show you, oh, a beautiful beast. So I'm just going to quickly try and...
Don't call me a beast.
Oh yes. Okay, let me show you this beast. This is one of them. I'm trying to work out whether that's the receiver or I think that's probably the transmitter, the microphone. In fact, that is the microphone, and the way that I can tell it is there's a button on the top of it. Can you feel that?
It feels really good.
There's a mute. Well, it is good quality. It better blooming well ought to be.
Yes.
This one here has not got a mute button.
Can I mute you?
You probably can't mute me, no. But yeah, they're good, aren't they?
They really do feel very decent quality.
They genuinely are really decent quality. They genuinely are really decent quality. So they take 2 AA batteries.
Yeah, I've worked out how to open the battery compartment.
Good. Can I say that Sennheiser, and they are Sennheiser branded batteries as well, other YouTubes out there, they've given us 2 batteries for each of them, so that should operate for 8 hours. And what I love about it is they come with a few little odds and sods that we like very much. This one should be, I'm hoping. Oh no, one might not be. Oh no, okay. This cable here, which I'm going to open, is what are you doing? Yeah. This cable over here connects the receiver, which is this one. So it plugs in one side into the receiver, which will be the screwed into the receiver, and then the other side will go into the camera. But you don't have to use that one. It comes with another really cool cable. We are going to start off using this one, the camera. But as you know, we have proper kit as well. I'm going to screw this in properly, hopefully. Oh, this isn't fun, what's that?
And there we are, we're investing into this channel massively, because audio is really important, as is the visuals.
Hopefully this is going to tighten up properly. Well, I might have to pass you this.
Okay, let me see.
Right, what I need you to do, this here, let me just put it back. This should screw into the top jack there. Can you have a play with that? It screws in, that side screws in. It does also come with a balanced XLR cable. And what this means, it outputs a mono signal. And the reason that's fairly cool is that, here, let me show you this. We can plug this into, for example, if you were to do a YouTube live, you would plug that into the sound card interface that we have, or our Zoom recorder. That is pretty damn cool. That is pretty damn cool. This next one is ME2 microphone.
I just wasn't expecting it to be that small. I don't know why.
She always says this.
It's really cute and titsy and tiny. It's so adorable.
Let's skip forward to some of this having been done and set up. Are we interested in setting this up? We're not. We're going to get it done and then come back, right?
Yeah, we'll do that.
We'll come back.
It's all set up now. I had a bath, got in my pyjamas, and here we are.
Yeah, it didn't take long to set up. We have got one microphone between the two of us.
We have.
We can actually do more than that. We'd have to buy another pack and we'd have to run it through a mixer. But the advantage to it is that these are actually ones that are used for broadcast.
Yeah, that's the beauty of it, I think.
Yeah. And what we want to do, and we're going to do it over the weekend, is to go and do a range test.
Oh yes.
And we're going to
compare them actually.
Yeah. So the little Rode microphones, they're all right at very short distance. In fact, they'd be absolutely fine at the distance we're at as long as it's in line of sight.
Yeah.
Whereas we've got kind of this mic pack on. And
the range is 330 feet, isn't it?
So I'm going to go and do a test now. I'll walk around the house. Can you make some funny faces?
I'll try.
Don't talk because it won't hear you.
I'm going to dance then.
Dance. Let's dance.
If you like my dancing, give me a like.
Well, the microphone's on me, so you need to stop talking. Because it'll look weird, because you'll see her talking but hearing me, which is just odd. So I'm in the kitchen at the moment. But actually, I can't really go out because I can go to the back door. It's spitting outside, but give you an idea of different sounds and stuff. But the point is, I mean, I could go all the way upstairs as well, but there's not really much point in doing that, because I think what we can do is do a range test tomorrow. How was your dancing?
I think it was good, but if people like my dancing, think they like. If you don't dislike, it's fine by me.
If you don't dislike?
If you dislike it, give me a
What do you think of it though? Do you like the size of it?
What, the microphone?
Yes.
Yes. No, it's fantastic. I love it. I think it's awesome, and I can't wait to kind of compare the two.
We can possibly compare 3. We'll do 2 or 3. So we'll do, yeah, we can compare this one, which is the Sennheiser, to the. Have we actually got anyone watching us now, by the way? Put a comment saying I was watching to the point when you asked whether anyone was watching. Okay. If you watched this far.
Yes.
But we've also got a Rode news shooter thing, which is kind of quite a big one, and I think. I'm not in any doubt you're going to find this works better, because this is actually one they use on the news. Oh, I'm so lucky. Yeah, you're a star.
Lucky. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Awesome, guys.
So why do you cry when it turns midnight?
Cinderella.
Hey, if anybody's watching to this point, that was a no, it's not Cinderella. It was Britney Spears.
Yes.
So put in if you've watched this far, just write in the comments, Britney Spears, lucky.
Do it. Go on. I want to know who gets this far into my vlog.
And subscribe.
course. So hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, so when I upload new content, you will be the first to know.